What's up, guys? So you've now reached to part 2 of the editing series. So if you're on this video, more than likely you saw my previous vlog about the iPhone shoot on the balcony, and now you're here to see the rest of the editing. And if you want to check out part 1 to this video, you can click right up here and it'll take you to it and you can check that video out. Otherwise, let's get right into it. All right, so now I'm going to show you basically how I can take this and literally just copy these settings here, and then I'll go to the next photo that I want to edit and paste them right on. And 9 times out of 10, this usually works. Like, I like how this looks. I want to go in and adjust the curves a little bit for this though. Mainly this curve here, just to kind of dial in a little bit more. I like how dark these look. I want to bring some more contrast into it if I can. Yeah, somewhere in there. Looks good. Right there. A little before and after. And you can even do like some blemish correction there. Let's see. Healing. Make sure it's on that. Adjust my brush size. Whoops. I'll feather this a lot more. Make sure it's around 50%. Don't want it too soft because it is skin. I'll adjust the size. Just tap right there. And boom. That's fixed. Cool. So yeah, there's that one right there. Done. So for this next photo, this couch shot right here, the lighting is a little bit different. As you can see, like the sun is coming in, you know, from that left side, and we got like some really harsh lines that I was playing around with. So the edit had to be a little bit different because we was working with like really hard light on the skin and then like obviously shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset this photo, and you can see the before now. So okay, let's get right into it. We'll go to light. Also guys, this is just a variant of the initial edit that I showed you guys. So this is just showing you how I can adjust it to work for another image with different light. So exposure is coming down, negative 0.27, contrast coming down, negative 52, highlights coming down to negative 44, shadows up. We're just bringing in all that dynamic range, really is what I'm doing right now, to plus 38, or in that ballpark at least. Whites, negative 40, bring those down. Blacks, bring those up to plus 69. Go into these curves. So this S curve is a lot less harsh. We'll start down here and work our way up. Somewhere around there. About in there. Looks good. Yep, right in there. And then we'll continue with the slight S curve for all of these. Just very slight. So This is the same exact S-curve from the other images, but I'm just gonna try to replicate it for you guys since you'll be following along with me here. So somewhere around in there, maybe a little warmer, about like that. Let's see, could adjust the reds just a tad. I am going for like a warmer look, not too much. So about right in there is good. And now we're gonna move on to the color tab here. So temperature, definitely want to warm it up. So I'll go to +9. There, tint, bring in some of those magentas from the sun. Around 14, vibrance. Up to 27, and saturation -36. So it's getting to look a little too crazy. And usually when you're going for like these moody warm things, you're gonna pull down these moody warm looks, you're gonna pull down the saturation quite a bit to be able to bring in the colors that you want, since you're drastically changing the color of the image. Alright, and then for the mix tab, everything is literally the same from what I showed you guys before, so I'll just go through it. So red, +5, saturation, -7, luminance, -18, or at least close to it. Orange, +17 for the hue. Saturation, we're gonna do +7, and luminance +2. Yellow, I'm gonna do +5 for the hue, and leave everything else the same. Green, I'm gonna do +2 for the hue, leave everything else the same. Aqua, we're gonna go +13 for the hue, -90 on the saturation, and luminance we will leave the same as 0. Hue for blue, -4. Kind of get some of those teals into the sky there, but not too much. So I'm gonna bring the saturation down to -85. And luminance, -4. Ballpark. And for magenta, the hue will be +24. Saturation, -7. Luminance, -3. I'm sorry, that was for the purple tab. Now we're on the magenta tab. Magenta will do +24. -7 on the saturation. And -3 on luminance. Cool. So now we're gonna go into the effects again and replicate what we did before. So we'll bring that clarity down to give that like almost like vintage filmy Polaroid style shot, and dehaze will bring that down as well to -4. So from here we're gonna go into split toning, and we're gonna replicate the exact same thing that we did before. So highlights, we're going to 134 degrees, or in that ballpark at least. And we're gonna bring that saturation to 20. And shadows, we're gonna go to 62 degrees. And we're gonna bring that saturation to 13. Adjust contrast and stuff a little bit, try to bring brightness exposure down, maybe just a tad bit more. Shadows, kind of like them where they are right now. And yeah, that looks pretty good. So yeah, that's that photo right there. Before, right here, and here's the after. Let's get this out of the way. Before, and here's the after. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something along the way. If you like what you saw, definitely hit that thumbs up button. That helps out the channel. Drop a comment below letting me know what you liked in the video or what you want to see me make more videos about. And yeah, guys, I just appreciate the viewers, the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell because I'm going to be dropping more content very, very soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video.